We need the name of every single component right there. Alright, so let's come into clear or receipt. That's receipt. Double click on cancel, so we can just have all of these, maybe all of these, copy them and delete. That's cancel right there. So that is taken care of. Now we need the names of the other ones. Let's see, what's the name? That will be job something. I think I have that somewhere. So let's go for the one I don't know. First name, okay. First name, so on. Paste that in there. Dot text equals. Now job, there we go. The text equals there. Let's take the text. Okay, we have that of travel. I think that's about all. That's everything, I think. So if we enter as follows there, let's go for look man, date of birth and address, Brixton. Okay, now telephone number, email address, look@man.com, and let's make some purchase there. Okay, click on that. Total, that is working, and cancel. Yeah, that's working as we want. Alright, what is next for us to do now is to take care of the receipt and this. Let's make sure this works. Let's click on that and enter some data in here, and let's go for Yankee. Alright, date, address, Townsend, and enter some value there. Okay, telephone number. Okay, click on that, and that's working. Now add, and that is it. You can now store your data. You guys can see that. Alright, click on clear. So if I clear it, the data still remains in your bank. So what I then need is to get this working. Let's get the receipt part of it working. Exit. So let's double click on the receipt and do that. That's the receipt right there. Paste it up there. Receipt dot append. So maybe we can just enter. Let's get a tab in place first. That stands for tab. Yeah, tab. And let's enter as follows. Job estimator receipt there, and VB new line there. Close that. So what we then need is, we need to know what we actually buying. Let's go for the following. We need Chrome. Where is it? Okay, let me just take care of this first. This is, let's take care of this discounts and do that. Let's say discount. If there's any discount, check the discount, enter some information in there, and just click on total. Alright. that's not working. Let's see what happened. I think the error, I've noticed the error now, is because I can always leave this the way it was. Let's leave it the way it was. It's because I have not, there's nothing inside total, and I'm actually deducting something from total. So this should be there. Let's get all of this. Copy that. Right here, where is discount? There we go. Paste that in there, so we actually have something to deduct from. Right, let's try it again. Okay, discount check, enter some value in there. Alright, that is checked. We've entered our value. Click on total. Now that is working. Let's check out the receipt. There. Okay, that's the discount we get, which is right there. So that's working as expected now. And let me just go back into the receipt and complete the coding for the receipt. Come back in here, double click on that. I think I'm gonna need more of this. Copy that. Maybe place that in the middle, sort of. Is that right? Maybe here. Here. Take this off. Okay. There. Now we need Chrome and so on. So let's just get those ones. We can copy this. So I'll just speed that up and show you guys the codes for the receipt. Okay, now this is how the receipt code is looking from here to here. Okay, so let's just give that a try and see. Run the program again. Entered a name here. Let's say Paul Moore. Yeah, Johnny. Date of birth and address will be Captain's Town, and phone number, email johnny@gmail.com. Okay, we need to extend that a little bit. Do we want a discount? Yes. 5 meters of chrome, 6 meters of 5 meters of copper, 6 meters of chrome, plastic pipe, labor 6 hours, and travel 8 miles. Click on total. There. Okay, now let's check out our receipt. Right there, that's the receipt. You can see the value, everything in there. All here is blank, so what we need to do is maybe add a calculator so that this guy can always work out his value there. Okay, exit. Okay, I now have the calculator component in place. So let's see. Let's move that down a little bit. Okay, maybe let's delete. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna delete this. Just get rid of that and just move this up a little bit. Okay, that's good. Alright, I think the next thing I can always add a converter here as well, cash converter or currency converter in here to make it look a little bit busy, because if I run it, let me show you what you guys will see. Although the calculator is not working yet, this is how it looks, and all here there's nothing there. So let's make it look a little bit busy. So I'm going to speed that up and get back to you guys. Okay, this is how the final interface is looking right now, but the calculator is not doing anything yet. So what I'll do next is just to group all of these components and then use an event to trigger the numbers. The currency converter is not working as well, so let's go into the system, select all of these and select these as well. Click on the property, come right here where it says events and click events. Let me call that button click, button underscore click, that's for that there. And the next one, select all of these and call that arithmetic underscore function there. Okay, that's taken care of. So now double click on the button and enter as follows. So this, if I double click on 4, you can see because they are all of the same name, so let's enter it there. That's for the button. So let's run it and see, and let's check it out. So we can now enter numbers in there. Okay, but the plus sign and so on, they're not doing anything yet. Alright, stop the program. Let's go right up here and declare some more variables. Dim first number as double. Dim second number as double. Let's declare 2 more. Dim operator as string and dim. I think let's go for result. Now let's just call it answer. Dim answer as double there. Okay, I'll now come in here, double click on the arithmetic operators and enter as follows. So that is that taken care of. So we now need the equal sign, double click on that there. That's the equals taken care of. And also need to clear, double click on clear, paste that in there, and LBL display dot text equals there. So that's that taken care of as well. Now let's take care of the decimal place. Take care of that, and that is for the decimal place. Now we also need to take care of the back, and that's for my thing. The calculator is now ready to be used. So 3 times 6 equals that backslash plus 9 there. Okay, the calculator is working as expected. The next thing is to take care of the converter. Exit. Okay, with the currency, I need the form. Double click on the form itself. Okay, right up here then. I need the form to load as follows. The following countries. So when I click on that, when the form load up, all of this data is entered into the combo box. So let's take care of this now. So when we click on this, what's the name? Double click on that there. Dot visible equals false there. Okay, so when we click on it, that will become false. Let's see that if it works. Okay, receipt, click, yeah, that becomes false, and we can see all the countries, but nothing is working right here. We need some lines of code to take care of that. Okay, let's move this aside, move it aside, and double click on the converter right there. Okay, just undo that for now. Okay, that's the calculation for the converter, or the code for the converter, but the function that I called here is missing. So let's come right down here, right here, and paste that in there. Okay, what is missing are these variables, so I need to declare some variables up there. So now scroll up and take care of those variables there. So hopefully those errors are rectified there. That's fine. Now we double click on close to take care of that as well, and I think that's all for this. That's all for this currency converter itself. Yeah, that should do it. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Let's get rid of this, delete that, they're gone. Okay, so we'll run the program now and see how it looks like. Move this up. Okay, click on this so that I can add my data, enter name there. So the name is going to be Johnny Davis. Okay, then date of birth 1903 197. Okay, email address jd@gmail.com, and here, oh, that should be email address, sorry about that. Paste this here, and let's get rid of all of this. That's meant to be telephone number. Let's make up something there. Address, let's just call it maybe Frogner. Okay, maybe number 21 Frogner. Alright, pipe, we have 5 there. There's an error here, that's supposed to be a 9. 7 4. Okay, click on total. We get our total in place. Let's check out the receipt. That's the receipt right there. We can always use our calculator to verify that if we want. So we can add these together because, yeah, let's see, discount. That's the discount right there. So we can always add it together to work out how much it is. If we take this off, you get that total. That's it. So you can just use that to compare if you want, and that's how that works. Let's click on currency converter and see, select anything there. Alright, enter 2 something and just convert. The converter is not responding. I need to find out why. Let's see why that's not working. Let's convert, select a country, click. Oh yes, it is working. I think I need to change the color to black. Alright, let's go back and get that sorted. Back color, select back color, should be black, not white there. So that's taken care of. Now let's take care of this as well. That's an I. Now let's come here and maybe reduce the size of all of this a little bit and move these ones back, and then increase the length of these ones. Take them up, maybe the size, change that to about 16, and that should do it. Okay, let's run it again. Alright, some modification has been carried out, and the name is King Steve. Date of birth 12/07. Okay, telephone number ks@gmail.com. Oh, come on, man. There. And telephone number, yeah. Okay, address, let's go for Kingsland Road, 758, 6 miles, 6 hours, and that's 8 miles traveled. So we click on total, that's what it gives us. Check on the receipt, that's fine. Let's see, let's convert it into the Brazilian. Okay, let's go for 302.23 and convert there. Okay guys, with that I'll just call it the end of this program. So you all have a nice day. Now if you need the code, you can subscribe and get in touch. Bye for now.